Right, so I'm here at Ocean Beach Pleasure Park in South Shields. A couple of roller coaster credits to get. Nothing too exciting, just a couple of like caterpillars, log flumes, ghost train, a couple of other things, Matterhorn. Yeah, won't be here very long, just a quick visit. Chair swing. So I've got my little fun card. £10 worth of credits, a couple of little roller coasters to go on, and the ghost train. That's probably about it. Right, well that caterpillar was the slowest I've ever been on. I thought I was going to stall at the top of the lift hill. Next one is the speedy coaster. Try this. Speedy coaster themed around Speedy Gonzales. Remember him? Undle. Yeah, me neither. Quicker than that one. So I've got my two coaster creds. I've got Speedy Coaster and the Caterpillar. Speedy Coaster was alright, Caterpillar was dreadful. There you go. Right, ghost train is called Zombie. Looks pretty small, let's give it a go. 2.5 credits. Yep, so I can safely say that Zombie is probably the worst ghost train I've ever been on. I mean, it's full of props and dummies that just sort of shake about a bit, and that's about it. The best bit is actually right at the end. Come around the last corner, there's a dummy being sick into a barrel. That's quite funny. But apart from that, it's pretty terrible. There you go, Zombie at Ocean Beach. Break dance. Log flume. Sending it round with nobody on it. Okay, that was my very quick visit to Ocean Beach Pleasure Park done. Got me two creds. Got a terrible ghost train cred. Now we're off to the Hoppins, but it's worth coming if you need the creds. But from South Shields, half of roller coasters are us. See you next time.